Sparkles. This week we will be doing a Lego Friends little dog.
It's like our rabbit that we've done, but it's dog doing agility.
Yeah. So
it shows on the back.
it has little dog doing some of the things.
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yeah. It looks pretty good.
And it was from
Toys R Us
for
$3.99. Actually, pretty good price.
Yeah. So
so it's got some dog food as well.
thank you. Come on, let's.
We will build this.
So we
made
finished.
it.
And there's like a little dog here, and he's on a seesaw, and
Yeah,
that's
it's
cool.
pretty
So
cool.
that's a little agility
And
bit.
there's also like I can't
jump.
remember, but it's a jump, yeah, that
you can
he
jump
jumps over. So like, woo.
Yep. And then
Okay.
there's I think it's a bed. Is it a bed?
Yeah, I think a bed.
Yep. For him to lay in after he's finished.
And there's also some food for him to eat. Okay. So
Then also there's part of the agility. There's these cool little cones. Can't really see them. They're like cones that you go in and out of, so that's cool.
yeah,
And then last of all, I don't know what this is.
it's I don't know.
And then this, which I don't know either.
Yeah.
That's a stick, but I'm not sure what this is. Put in the comments below if you know what it is. It's kind of just like looks like juice or something. So thank you so much.
For watching.